Pornography should be stopped. And I have to say on this point, I 100% agree with the Taliban. And any civilized person should. And it shouldn't require a lot of any explanation. Pornography is wrong. Just stop it. It does no good to human society whatsoever. It does tremendous harm. The whole mind, the minds of people are polluted. Just stop it. Why do not the governments of the world stop it? Money, money, money. It's a huge business. So money rules the world. Principles don't rule the world. We can see just from the very fact that pornography is a multi-billion-dollar business. Stop it. Let the big leaders and governments, and they're all praising the great leader of our society. Stop this pornography. And even apart from hardcore pornography, why is it? Again, I'm going to the newspaper. When you go to the newspapers, they always newspaper nowadays is online, isn't it? So there always are pictures of pretty women, often in a state of semi-undress or worse. Why? Why should you promote this? All right, sexual attraction is there in human society, but excessively fanning lust, this is the kind of thing that Arnold Toynbee was talking about, that we have the pursuit of an objective which is spiritually wrong. Something seriously wrong there. And don't say it's in the name of art and individual expression. What art?